Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ATWS, Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit. There are features include True 4K Wireless HDMI Transmission. Replace long HDMI runs with a clean wireless HDMI connection that delivers sharp true 4K visuals and high-quality audio, not downgrading to 1080p output like most others. Perfect for clutter-free spaces, wall-mounted displays, and flexible screen placement. No Wi-Fi or apps required. Instantly mirror your laptop, gaming console, or streaming device with our wireless HDMI transmitter. No drivers, apps, or network setup needed. Just connect the HDMI transmitter and receiver to start wireless screen sharing in seconds. Lag-free viewing, with about 100 millisecond latency, video and audio stay synchronized, so motion looks natural, and sound matches the screen. Reduces lag for smoother playback, clearer visuals, and reliable zero-latency wireless HDMI performance when responsiveness matter. Long-range multi-screen streaming. Our wireless HDMI extender transmits HDMI video up to 164 feet or 50 meters, with a stable signal in open line of sight. Supports one transmitter to up to 4 receivers for streaming to multiple TVs, monitors, or projectors. Pro-grade features and flexible setup, includes HDMI loop-out, USB KVM control, IR remote support, and one-to-many streaming, one transmitter to up to 4 receivers. This wireless display adapter delivers stable transmission up to 164 feet or 50 meters, without long HDMI cables. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.